Okay, now there is denseness property of rational numbers. You can just go through it. It's very easy only. And now we are going to just discuss about denseness property of rational numbers. That's it. So let me take a number line here. Say this number line. They have not given any number here in between these gaps. Don't yourself think that there is no number, that means there will be no number here. If this is integer, then there will be no number here, but it is a real number line, so there will be numbers in between these gaps so densely that you cannot count. It is infinite. It's so dense. You may see they have given here minus 0.5. Same way here 4.85. Same way here will be many numbers. Here will be 1.5. Here 1.52, like this. So there will be many numbers in between, just 0 and 1 itself. So it is so dense rational numbers. So in between these gaps there may be infinitely many rational and irrational numbers. Both numbers will be there. So this is the denseness property of rational numbers. This denseness property of rational numbers just about if they give any two rational numbers, we can the arithmetic mean of those two rational numbers is always a rational number. That's a proof for it. It's very easy only. You can just see and you can understand by yourself only. Don't be spoon fed by me. So this is the one. Then next video we will see with the exercise 2.1 solvation. Okay. Thank you, friends.